Okay, we finished the R70, and right now is the first ever lap time that we'll do. Okay, the lap exists of us starting from here, right by these rocks, and the rules are the front wheels have to be in line with the rock. That's our starting position. After that, we're gonna hit it straight all the way to the fireplace, 180 degree around that fireplace, and back through the rocks over here. And we're gonna end on this side, or on the other side of the rocks. And what counts is the back wheels have to be past that big rock over there. This is our first rebuild ever, and I really don't know what to expect from this R70. It's pretty long over here, so okay, I really don't know what time this R70 will make on this track for the lap time, but I'd say it's gonna go like 38 seconds. What do you think? When will I be done?
Well, the course is pretty long, but the track just fast. So I'm gonna say 22 seconds.
That's a good estimate. We'll see who's better. Stay tuned.
Ready, set, go!
Awesome, we just finished. I really don't know how long that took, but we'll see the score here in a bit.